My name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a really excellent example of a genuine SS big block Chevelle. This is a documented car, has the build sheet. It's not a clone. It's a real SS big block car, factory colors, and it has a fantastic restoration. Just driving in here, I could tell immediately by how well it ran and how well everything fits, this is a good one. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you'll read all the specs, you'll see all the photos top to bottom, you'll get the price on this car and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale, volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and that way you'll see these videos first as they come out. But right now, join me, let's go for a spin in this 1971 Chevelle SS. I just got the car, part of a collection out of Tennessee. I did not go through all this paperwork. I will, and I'll report on our website when I write the description of what I find in here. But this is the build sheet. This is the documentation. Now, when a car goes down the assembly line, there would be a build sheet attached to the chassis so people knew how to build the car. And it lists all the options, codes, colors. So on here are the options, the Super Sport package. That's what a build sheet is, so that verifies it's the real deal. It's an excellent restoration. The body is fantastic. The fit and finish, the gaps, the stripes are painted correctly. You don't feel them. New shiny bumper, tail light lenses look new. A real nice clear window. Actually, it's a new window. Inside here is real nice. All real clean, smooth metal. Wheel well molding fits the car real nice. Completely smooth along the bottom. Not a bubble. It all fits nice and square. I really like when a car fits like this one. The finish is fantastic. The metal flake is laid out real nice, and the clear coat is polished like glass. All this trim, the door handles, the mirror, and yeah, it's got Cowl Induction. Actually, a lot of the Chevelles come in, they got the domed hood, but not very many have Cowl Induction that I've seen lately. These lenses and trim and bezels, all of that is sparkling new. The hood pins are new. Windshield's new. This fits real nice on both sides. The hood, we just got this car. We're going to throw some hood springs on it. Sometimes they get in here for the photos before they're all done in the shop, but rather than waiting a week for hood springs, we're going to go ahead and get the video done. Completely rebuilt and remachined 396 motor, upgraded with an Edelbrock intake and carb, HEI ignition, a set of headers. It's got power steering, power disc brakes, bucket seat, console interior, factory gauges in the dash. Just a super nice, clean trunk compartment. I don't see any patches or signs of repair or rust. I don't feel any splices or seams on the quarter panels. Actually, the factory seams up here look real nice and clean. All painted real nice. New weather strip, new decal. New upholstery, the seat backs, all the chrome trim is replaced. Door panels, window cranks all new. Door jambs beautiful, smooth and glossy. The latches look new, the rubber, the window seals are new, the sill plates are shiny. The whole instrument panel's new, all the little chrome trim, sparkles. The gauges are restored. Has a retro stereo, it fits right in the dash without cutting up the dash. Cadmium plated booster, the master, the wiper motor looks new. Steering box, power steering hoses, the washer bottle, everything looks new in here, and it's all cleaned up and detailed beautifully. Everything fits now. All the metal's really nice. I don't see anything with layers of spray paint or pitting or It's just an exceptionally clean car. Yeah, look at the door jambs. It's got seat belts front and back. The original console with the horseshoe shifter, or I heard it called this morning a staple shifter. It does look like a staple. Headliner is new. The mirror is new. Dash pad's real nice. Underneath the car is also really clean. Nice dry clean metal, even up behind the tires. Got a real nice Flowmaster exhaust with the crossover pipe, turbo 400 automatic. It's the F41 suspension, which includes front and rear sway bars, boxed rear control arms. I think the fuel tank looked new. Front end's all rebuilt. The bushings, the ball joints, all been redone. It feels nice. The seats feel good, and everything in front of me is spotless. The heater controls. It's nice to sit in your car and enjoy looking at it. Up overhead, it's got the shoulder belts, visors. The vents are all excellent shape. Glove box opens and closes real nice. I mean, doesn't that run nice? Console lights up, dash lights up, clock is ticking. The kick panels, the knobs for the vents in the kick panels. Now the Cowl Induction stays closed until you tromp on it, then it opens up. You see that? This car looks and feels right. We'll get some new springs on the hinges, so you don't need a broomstick at the car shows. It just fits nice. Doesn't get any better than that. Nice and square. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact our staff. I can answer any questions or concerns you have. If you need more pictures, more video, let us know. We'll help with that. We can help with your financing, with your delivery. So go to volocars.com to find out more. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to keep seeing these exciting videos. Thanks for watching.